All right, so I'm making an informational video for James B on basically the oxidation that happens on Moto Guzzi cases, tranny cases and motor cases. So this is an older, I don't know that this has ever been blasted. This could be all from the factory. This is a kind of a daily driver 74T Cafe racer. This is a sport that Stevie just blasted a few weeks ago. This one's owned by Matt out in Arizona. So you can see how bright the aluminum is. And aluminum, this cast aluminum will go dark like this eventually. We can't help that. That's just oxygen in the atmosphere. Okay, so this is James's bike. We just got the white walls on it. He had a hell of a time finding white walls for this. So he found some Maxis 120/90/18s. They're not bad, but they're old. They're new, but they're old. Anyways, okay, so this is James's case, and we restored this bike originally for Richard Bally out of Arizona. We finished it in 2017. We probably blasted that motor in tranny 2016, so it's coming up on 10 years. And it's been pretty much in the desert. Yeah, it's been in the desert the whole time. So, you know, cases weep, they get, you know, you can see we haven't really done any type of cleaning on this yet. But Guzzi cases, they weep, and you'll get this weepy oil, which is, we try to stop that with the gaskets. We do the best we can, but it's still, you got to clean it once in a while. So this is a 10-year-old, let's say 9-year-old motor case and tranny case. This is Bobby's, the blue bike. Everybody loves this. Everybody loves the color. So this was blasted about a month ago. And you can see how bright it is. So everything, the cylinders, everything. So this was an old restoration that I did originally in 95, and I can't remember if we blasted again. We sold to Bobby in 2010, so that's still 15 years ago, but it didn't look super horrible, but it was getting kind of dark. So the aluminum will get dark, you know, after 10, 15 years, even if it's in the desert, and especially if it's humid climate. So anyway, so there's the difference in the two. I'll go on the back side. Like I say, I'm specifically making this for Jim B. Since he bought it, he wants to find out if this is the left side. So it's not bad. It'll probably clean up okay too. I mean, you know, it's not horrible. And this is the left side on one that's just blasted. So, anyways, it's nice and clean, it's nice and bright. You can see in there. So, anyways, there you go. Fresh blasted. This case has been blasted about 9 years ago. Old original case, and another fresh blast on a Sport. So anyways, hopefully that answers questions for a lot of you guys on cases and how clean we get them and all that. So, all right, we'll take one last look here. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll put this up on the YouTubes and maybe the Instagrams. Thanks, guys.